If your Bank of America account has been restricted, you may need to appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding your account, including your account number, any communication from Bank of America regarding the restriction, and any supporting documents that may help your case. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or your account statement. Explain your situation clearly and ask for specific reasons for the restriction. Step 3. Submit an appeal. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Follow up. After submitting your appeal, keep track of your requests. Follow up with customer service if you do not receive a response within the timeframe they provide. Step 5. Review and adjust. If your appeal is denied, review the reasons given and consider adjusting your approach. You may need to provide additional information or seek further clarification on the decision. In conclusion, appealing an account restriction can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Stay organized and persistent to improve your chances of a successful appeal.